Is there something wrong with your Starlink? If your Starlink is having buffering issues, something could be obstructing it. If you've cleaned off your satellite and it's still having buffering issues, that's weird.
You ever try watching Apple TV on your Starlink, catching up on your favorite shows and underrated movies, and it won't stop lagging and buffering? You're in the middle of watching your favorite show, and then there's buffering and freezing, laggy video. We've all been there. In this video, I will show you how you can fix slow Starlink speeds for a much smoother Apple TV experience. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. Before you try anything, make sure that your dish is not obstructed. The easiest way you can mess up your Starlink connection is to block your satellite dish. Obviously, you should not have something covering your dish. But even if you don't, you still might have a tree or part of your roof partially obstructing your connection as the satellite moves around overhead. Check the obstruction map in your Starlink app to make sure that your dishy has a clear view of the sky. Even if your dish is completely unobstructed, the connection can still be affected by a bunch of other factors. You could have a weak connection to your router. There could be interference from other Wi-Fi connections. There could be drops in coverage as the satellites move around. Or you could just have an old and faulty dish. Either way, the Starlink satellites all rotate at the exact same time, once every 15 seconds. So no matter what, you will experience little connection drops and packet loss. And this can affect your video streams. Now, the secret to cutting out most of these issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be 4G or 5G, some DSL line, could even be another Starlink. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability and keep your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. Now, you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? It's easy. You just download Speedify because Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding. This intelligently sends and receives your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level, which means it can increase your bandwidth. As you add more connections, this results in a smoother, crisper video on Apple TV. Plus, if you want to add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability, you don't need extra adapters. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share their cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot, download Speedify for free on all your devices, and then pair the phones in the Speedify app to share their cellular. This is what we call parent share. If you're tired of issues with Apple TV, you know what to do. You just download Speedify today from the Google Play or the Apple App Stores, and then enjoy a better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this.